Okay, so this is the client's natural hair. Her hair was washed and oiled, and I blow dried it. So now what we're going to do is to start the parting process, and I have already put it in sections so I can move faster. Okay, so this is us parting the hair in sections. Okay, I added to the roots of this the Ossion ear wax, Eco Style gel, and ear oil, just to ensure roots are looking clean. Okay, so we're going to add our elastics now, because this is the elastic method. Yes, you need to pull the hair as soon as it's elastic, so it tightens at the root, but not too tight that the client will have an headache at the end of the day. You don't want that. Okay, so we're going to start adding the ear. Now you insert the crochet needle and pull the hair through it. Even it at the end, ensure that it is even, and then what you're going to do is to pull it in two and start the twisting process. But now I'm going to show you a mistake that can be made. So the first thing I'm going to show you is what not to do. Okay, so you're adding the eco gel to the client's natural hair so it blends into the braid properly. It might not blend in 100% depending on the type of hair that you're dealing with, but you can use the eco style gel to tame the hair as much as possible. Okay, so this is what will happen if you do the twist this way. I'm going to show you exactly what is going to happen. So don't rope twist the hair, it's going to tangle if you do that. See? Yes. This is what not to do. So you're going to have to pull it out. So first timers, if you put it in the first time and you realize that this is happening, what you're going to do is to turn the hair the other way and do it the regular twist. Do the regular twist to achieve the fluffy, nice, juicy twist at the end of the day. You'll see the difference. I promise. Add your Eco Style gel to the client's natural hair and twist away. And that's how it should be looking. Yeah, this is the first row, and we have now completed our first row. So let's just move on.
full of beer, diamond and gold stone.